Hi, I'm Jack Weir with Guarantee RV in Junction City, Oregon. Family owned for over 50 years. One of the top rated service centers in the United States. Can't ask for more when you're buying from Guarantee. What I'm going to show you today is the 2014 Windsport. This is on a 29-foot frame. It's a Triton V10 Ford chassis. All of the specs on this thing are available online. Just check our website. So I'm not going to waste a lot of time on that. I'm going to jump into the thing that is most important to people, and that's the floor plan. So let's go on inside and take a look at the floor plan. Starting up here at the cockpit. Have a nice roomy cockpit. Automatic leveling system, nice information center, swivel chairs, and this one does have the overhead bunk. Moving back into the living quarters, really nice wraparound dinette set, very comfortable. Get as many people as you can in here, you, your wife, your kids. Over here on this side we have the full convection microwave, 3-burner cooktop, and gas range. Nice double sink, Corian countertops. And over to this side we've got your 8 cubic foot refrigerator and freezer. Nice flat screen TV set that's viewable from just about anywhere in the cabin. You've got a nice recliner chair over here in the corner too. Okay. Moving back into the restroom and shower. You do have a domed shower, so doesn't matter how tall you are, you're going to fit in here really nicely, make it a very comfortable shower. And just behind it you do have the lav. Now the door does have magnets on it, so if you got the kids sleeping up front, you can open the lav door and it'll stay open for you, give you some nice privacy for your sleeping quarters. Back here in the bedroom, you got a nice walk-around bed with plenty of storage over the top. Nice windows on each side of the headboard so you get some good view and cross ventilation. Nice rear view window. Then you've got really massive wardrobe on this side and another one on this side, as well as 3 full drawers and nice under storage on this too. This is the 2014 Windstar. If you've got any questions on it, please don't hesitate to call me. My name is Jack Weir, 541-654-1820, or you can give me an email at jack.weir@guarantee.com. Thank you.